Hi everyone, today I'm going to build a simple website with graph containing temperature, humidity, motion and light data using Firebase with esp82. First I will show you all of the needed parts, then I will show you how to connect them, and finally we will write some code to make it work. Let's get started. I will be using esp32 board because it is Arduino compatible and it has Wi-Fi built in. Then I have some motion sensor and a light sensor and DHT22, all from dfrobot.com. I am also using power bank to power the esp32 board. The connection is very straightforward. Simply power up all of the sensors, connect the data pin from the light sensor to A0, the data pin from DHT22 to D2, and data pin from motion sensor to D1. Okay, now we're good to write some code. Go to the file, then preferences, and make sure you have this line written in additional boards manager. I will also include this line in the description. Then go to the boards manager and install esp8266 boards. Now choose the right version of your board, choose the upload speed and a COM port. If the setup went OK, you should be able to choose from examples the blink program, upload it, and your board should start blinking. OK, now let's go ahead and install DHT-ESP library to control DHT22. Okay, so now I am writing a simple program to check if every sensor is working, and also I am checking the Wi-Fi connection from the board. Please make sure to add your own Wi-Fi SSID and Wi-Fi password to this code. Also, you can find a link to the code and the connection scheme in the description. We can see that everything is working. We connected to the access point and got local IP address, and also we got some expected outputs from our sensors. Since every sensor is working, we can go ahead and create a new Firebase project, which will be our database for measurements. This is Firebase project starting page, and now we go to database and create a real-time database. We need to change permissions for read and write in our project in order to upload data and read from database. In settings, then service accounts, then database secrets, you can find your own database name and database secret key, which you need to add to your code. But before that, let's add a Firebase library to our code. And now we can add code to our program, which will allow to send all of the measurements to the online Firebase database. And here I'm also including code to check if some errors occurred. After uploading the program to the board, we should be able to see all of the uploads made by our board. So now that I know that the Firebase upload is working, I can go ahead and personalize this project for my own needs. I will be uploading data every 10 minutes, but I need my motion sensor to be constantly on. That's why I'm adding the millis function in order to separate these two functions of the code. So the last thing to do is to make our website. I'm using codepen.io to host a website because it's free and easy to use. This is the code for my website. Basically what I'm doing is I'm connecting to the firebase, reading all of the data, then taking last 20 measurements from each section, and then I'm drawing a graph from chart.js library. Website is working, which means this is the end of the project. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Also make sure to read the description for more information. Bye for now.